Hey, Garrett here. I'm doing another website teardown for coffee shops, roasters, and online stores. Today we're going to do Loxley Coffee. Found these folks on Twitter. Looks like they're just getting started, so I'm going to visit the site as if I'm a first-time user. We're going to look to see, does it answer questions like, why should I buy from you over somebody else? What kind of things do you sell, and how can I get it? And, why should I be bothered? Because I probably already have a coffee routine. I probably already have somebody I buy coffee from. Why should I buy from you? Why should I change up what I already do? The routines I already have established to buy from you. So, all right, let's check it out. Okay, within 5 seconds or so, I should be able to be convinced that there's something here for me. Okay, Loxley, the online home of fresh coffee for those who want more. Click here to order fresh coffee. Click here for coffee subscriptions. Click here for a wholesale quote. Okay, so it's clear to me that I can buy coffee. It's an online store. I can subscribe, but there's also an opportunity for wholesale if I own an office or a coffee shop or something like that. Okay, so the online home of fresh coffee for those who want more. I'm trying to think, who would this be compelling for? Who would be interested? Who would read this and say, they get me. This is the right company for me, for my values, for what I'm looking for in a coffee company that I want to buy coffee from. I want to spend my money with, and I'm not sure. This isn't really ringing a bell for me. For those who want more fresh coffee, I think everyone who is going to arrive at this site probably wants more fresh coffee. So, I'm not sure that I get what this is trying to say and who this is trying to appeal to. Maybe I'm missing something, but I think if somebody has to ask and try to figure out what is going on and what you're trying to say and who this is best for, there's too much confusion. It needs to be simpler. It needs to be more obvious, especially in the first few seconds. You've got to convince somebody that you're a good fit for them immediately. So I'm not feeling compelled by this to keep looking. So yeah, I'm left with a little bit of confusion, which is not so good. We want to really engage somebody on a deep level as quickly as possible, and I just don't get what this is for. I don't get what it is supposed to mean. But I do know that you're an online store, so we do have clarity there. I think we just need to say something that's more captivating, and I just don't think this has the clarity. This phrase right here. Okay, I would offer a suggestion about how we can change this, but I'm a little lost on kind of the direction of what this is trying to say, so it's hard for me to offer a suggestion about an alternative. But let's keep scrolling and see what we find. Okay, pre-orders are live, so we have not launched yet, but we are getting ready to. Snag yourself one of the very first fresh roasted bags of Loxley coffee. Use promo code for 10% off. Okay, that needs to be fixed. Percent goes at the end. This little thing. Okay, Costa Rican medium, Ethiopian light roast. Okay, so we have coffees. That's good. A giveaway. That's great. That's really great. Okay. Oh yeah, this is good because we definitely want to get people's emails. Yeah. So we have an email giveaway that's already happening. I think this should be called out at the top somewhere. Up here, like enter our giveaway or something. Because it seems like capturing emails, bringing people into the ecosystem, being able to communicate and market to them later. Is so important for online e-commerce. I would suggest calling that out because I shouldn't have to scroll down. I should maybe that's a pretty captivating thing. So I'd say maybe put it up here. We're giving away free coffee when we launch or something like that. Yeah. So not everyone might scroll past this, but I think everyone will be interested in this. So I would put this up higher up, give it a call out at above the fold. Okay, and then that's the end. Okay, subscribe to our mailing list. Okay, so we have an email. We have like an offer to sign up. We will send you a free PDF and promotions and discounts. That's great. but when I scroll down and I see this, what I immediately think is just, oh, it's just a newsletter sign up. My inbox is precious to me. I don't want to give my email away. But if you lead with this, a free PDF, the how-to guide, maybe like right up here, get our free perfect drip coffee guide. That's actually something that I would want. That would, inspire me to put my name and email in here and give up some precious inbox space. But it feels kind of hidden away. It's kind of tucked away at the end of this sentence. So like coffee news, information, probably not that interested. I'll just follow you on Instagram or something like that. So some people might like this, but I think that what's really the good value here is this perfect drip coffee guide. So I would lead with this up here in this header, and that gives me a reason to sign up after the giveaway. Right now, the giveaway is a good reason to sign up. But once that's over, I think that having something more compelling at the bottom will be helpful. Okay, so here's what I'm saying that's missing. We have coffees; they look good. But why would I buy from you instead of somebody else? A lot of people have a medium roast Costa Rican coffee. A lot of people, everybody has a Colombian medium roast. So why should I buy from you instead of somebody else? This isn't quite doing it for me. This doesn't really mean anything to me, and I'm not sure exactly what you're trying to say here. So maybe there's some sort of little section that goes a little bit more into the value, who you are, what you stand for, something like that. And I see we have an about page and an our method page up here, and that's good. And about pages are typically the second most visited pages on a site, so that's, I'm about to click there and see what's there. But I think we need something on the homepage that's a little bit more, it's going to bring me in emotionally. It's going to give me a reason to say, there's a reason I'm going to choose Loxley coffee over all the other coffee companies that sell Costa Rican, Ethiopian, Colombian, and Papua New Guinean coffees. Okay, let's see what the About page says. Okay, backstory. Let's see. Okay, we're brothers. Yeah, we're roasting together. Okay. It feels a little bit long-winded, perhaps, but I get the story. You're brothers. You're starting this together. It's kind of like a family venture. Everybody loves family ventures, so that's good. Okay, about the name. Okay, and our space. Okay, so this is nice and personal. That's good. That you have faces behind what's going on. That's really good. Yeah, so you're not kind of a nameless, faceless brand without a personality, but the personality that you have on this page does not come on the home page. So I think that's a big area of improvement, because not everybody's going to click to the About page, probably, 30% or less. So we need to convince them before they leave the home page that there's already a reason to engage with us and to be, compelled by what we sell and who we are. So I think that's the biggest area of improvement. Whether that's a little section right in between here, maybe that's turning this into a little paragraph that has more clarity, talks more about why people should buy coffee from us instead. But we're missing something. We're missing that emotional pull, that emotional draw. Okay, the giveaway. Okay, the giveaway sign up pages or section is gone. Not sure why that happened, but I can't sign up for the giveaway now on this page. That's a little bit odd. Okay, there it is. I don't know, maybe a funny little glitch. I'd maybe look into that just in case somebody clicks away and then they realize they want to sign up. I want to make sure that's not hiding from people who are looking for it. Okay, excuse me, sorry, lots of allergy issues today. Okay, well, I think that's the biggest thing. We need some sort of emotional pull, and that can be here and maybe a little small section right here in between. And then when people see the coffees, they'll say, "I want to buy this because I'm already bought on the, I'm already sold on the mission, on who these brothers are and what they stand for." So, all right, good luck. Refining that. You already have it in the About page. Just bring some of it over. Bring a few small snippets over onto the home page, and I think you'll be set up for a better launch. All right, way to go, and good luck with getting everything going.